My name is Joanne and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Favor and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Treasure and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Maria and I'm 13 years old. This is our Smart Forklift. It is designed to lift heavy objects in front of it. It is not like any normal forklift. It is designed with ultrasonic sensors to detect objects in front of it.
This is our forklift. It can be used in airports, it can be used in shipyards, it can be used in event centers, it can be used in warehouses. And the advantages of our forklift is that it increases efficiency in moving and stacking goods. It reduces manual labor and the risk of worker injury. Thank you.
What I learned today is that technology can be taken to another level. Because in our forklift we designed today, we programmed our robots to detect an object using our ultrasonic sensors. Now this is a lesson for me because every other forklift I know is manually operated and not programmed. So technology upgrades.
Now, let me show you how it works. As we all can see, this is moving. It detects the object with the help of the ultrasonic sensor. It lifts the object, drops it at the position you want it to be, then reverses back. Thank you, Visiola Foundation, for this opportunity. STEM Girls Rock! Woo!